So, as I promised, I'm back with one more interesting topic, which is how to exclude weekends and only include business days. So, we have came across or might have faced a situation where in our RPA project we only need to look into the business days, and we should always exclude the weekends, where in which the business there will not be work done on the weekends, right? So how do we do that? How do we code it in UiPath? So for that, I have a simple solution for you. So let's begin. First and foremost, what you need to do is that let's include, or let's assign a or let's take an assign activity. Okay, let's say this is in date or current date. Let's make it as current date, and let's pass the value for it, which is system dot date time dot now dot toString, right? That's all. Now let's print it. How we get this data? So where is local here? Date before weekend exclusion. Or before weekend, or date before. Let's just print the date as is, right? Instead of printing all the unnecessary details, let's print this date as current date. Just to make it simple, and then let's take if condition now. Okay, now let's do one thing. Okay, so now in here we'll have to write a condition. So let's see current date. Now this current date is of a format of string. So what we need to do is, first and foremost, we need to convert. For that, convert into CDate or date time format. So for that, CDate, open and close parenthesis. Under this, we need to have the current date. Now we got this. And there is a function now which we need to use to determine what is the day today. For that, the function is day of week. With this you get what is the current day, which is Monday, or today, whether today is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Now after this, just print this as .toString, because day of week you get a number, so you need to convert this into a string format. And then let's make it as 2 lower or 2 upper, just to sync both of the data that we are, the condition that we are going to input. Now again, dot contains, just make it as dot contains, open and close parenthesis again. Here we need to enter Sunday. Now this is done. If this is true, what we need to do is that we need to take an assign activity. Sorry about that. I was trying to. So let's take an assign activity. Now the current date will be again CDate of current date dot add days, and then again again parenthesis, here Sunday, right? So -2, then dot toString, short date is fine, and in the else part, let's say we will have to put out another condition because it's not Sunday. Then we will have to put out another condition whether it's a Saturday. So to do that, we'll have to copy the same condition, open this, paste it. Instead of Sunday, it's a Saturday. Now same assignment, put it over here, copy this, paste it here. Instead of -2, it's -1. Now we are done with this. Let's print it again, date. Okay, let's make it as date before, date after. Okay, so let's run this and see what's going to happen. You see over here, the current date is 16th of September. Now after conversion, after exclusion of the weekend, it is 15. So that will be our business days. So that's how you perform the operations. There are few more operations in the daytime. For example, if you just see instead of dot toString, let me do it as dot. Then you would be able to see these functions. So you can utilize these as and when you need and perform the required operation that you have to you would require to do or that you want to achieve. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope this is an informative session for you all. And yeah, we'll look forward to meet again, and I'll try and look for more use cases that we face a day-to-day basis in UiPath, and yeah, let's solve them together. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today, and stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. If you like this session, please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, happy